Want to know what's new with 2021 New Home? Whereas 2020 New Home had two fixed menu bars along the bottom of the screen, 2021 New Home looks like this. Just press the Home button to go straight to LG AI TV's new home. Now, let's take a closer look at what 2021 New Home can do. Firstly, in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see the ad space, which provides promotional content or other information. Next to that, you can find general information such as the weather, date, and time. The search feature can be found in the upper right of the home screen. In the center of the screen, you can find your recommended content, movies, and TV selected specifically for you based on your viewing history. Here you can find the app list. Your favorite apps are arranged according to frequency of use for easy access. And if you want to manually change the order, just click the Edit button. You can rearrange the apps as you wish, and when you're done, just click the Apply button to finish. Now, the Home dashboard has been integrated into the 2021 New Home, so you can easily control all your connected devices directly. Check out the Home Dashboard series on YouTube for more information on how to set up and use the Home dashboard. There's a live TV section that shows your frequently watched channels. LG's AI TV algorithms add any channels you've watched for more than 5 minutes to the live TV section for fast, easy access to your favorite channels. When you get bored about watching contents, feel free to use LG Channel's free internet services. There's also a section for all your favorite things. If you're a sports fan, just set up the sports alert to stay up to date with your favorite team. And if you're a shopaholic, don't miss the LG shopping section, where you can buy all your favorite things directly from your TV. And of course, there's a dedicated section for movie lovers. Here you can set your preferred streaming platforms for easy access to the content you want. And last but not least is the Editor's Pick section, where you can find a carefully curated selection of content and apps. Now you've mastered the 2021 New Home. Just press the Home button to start enjoying your content.